Another very commonly asked question during a breast consultation is what is the difference between silicone and saline implants? There are a few major differences between the devices, although both produce a wonderful result. Silicone breast implants tend to feel a bit more natural and be a bit less palpable. They also tend to have less rippling, where saline implants may have a bit more rippling and may be a bit more palpable, but the cost of saline implants is dramatically lower. Many women will choose saline implants for that reason. Other women prefer a more natural feel, and in those cases we usually recommend silicone implants. Please don't hesitate to contact us. Our telephone number is 602-513-8133, or you can visit us on the web at www.mosharrafa.com.